Hi, hello, it's Kate. Have you ever woken up from a night's rest and wondered, what was that dream about? And go right to Google and start typing in your dream, and there's all these different responses, and you just don't know why it happened to begin with. Um, so I'm here to help us analyze our dreams and relate to the question, why do people dream? And some examples are the activation synthesis theory, the threat stimulation theory, the biological response theory, and also Freud and the collective unconscious from Carl Jung. So, just to start off with the activation synthesis theory from Piedmont Healthcare as a source, based on the work of Harvard University psychiatrists, this theory suggests that dreams often occur when there is stimulation in the brain that brings thoughts to our awareness. So, the activation hypothesis suggests that dreams are caused by brainstem activation during REM sleep, rapid eye movement, and stimulation in the limbic system, which is the emotional motor system. Um, Also, it talks about the threat stimulation theory. So, based on the work of a Finnish cognitive neuroscientist and psychology, this theory suggests that dreaming is preparation for real life situations that may cause a threat. So, something in real life that may cause stress or anxiety is a theory that could be a causation for some of these dreams. Then there is a biological response theory. It is a response to life circumstances. One research looked at why people have dreams with negative content, which most likely could be that the dreams involve attackers or enemies. So it could be an evolutionary or biological response. So, for example, like a dream getting attacked by a bear, you could have a negative person in your life that is causing stress or anxiety, and the bear could just be a representation of that person, but in your dream. So this could be an evolutionary or biological response, perhaps on different life experiences. So another example, according to Piedmont Healthcare, organizations of knowledge and memories. It could just be a storage place to organize knowledge and form up brain connections, which helps recall with memories, getting your memories from long term to short term. This suggests this is a opportunity for the brain to problem solve and make decisions better. Moving on to our next theory and topic, Freud wrote extensively about dreams. So this theory about dreams and interpretations, he believed that dreams are manifestations of our deepest anxieties and desires, often relating to repressed childhood obsessions or memories. So going back to the memories where these theories connect, a lot of them have to do with memories being stored in our brains. Freud developed a psychological technique whereby dreams could be interpreted. He also devised a theory of guidelines to help us understand motive symbols that appear in our dreams, according to the source of the American Sleep Association. Another psychologist that wrote theories on dreams were, according to Luhmann, was Carl Jung. He believed that dreams allowed us to tap into our collective unconscious because we are not conscious when we are dreaming, which is kind of crazy. Like, we're asleep, but we're just not consciously aware. Sometimes we can be consciously aware, like people who have sleep paralysis, they might tap into a conscious state. But collective unconscious is described by Jung as a theoretical representation of information he believed shared by everybody. According to Jung, certain symbols in the dream reflected universal archetypes with meanings that are similar for all people regardless of culture. So that goes back into our learning, connecting to our nonverbals and how different universes have these symbols or these gestures like the head nod that are universal among all cultures. So Carl Jung believed that some of these information are shared by everyone, which can make sense because there are certain dreams that everybody tends to have at some point, like certain dreams like shark attacks or like falling off a cliff. I'm sure everybody at one point has these same dreams. So it's interesting how this was his theory. So all in all, with the incorporating evidence, I believe that dreams are not just one theory, but are a collection of a whole bunch of different theories. And I hope you guys have a better understanding to answer the question of why do people dream. Thank you.